Hi, my name is Sarah Sisk, and today I will be presenting my exam mini video number 7, prompt number 2. Here's some Pokemon having fun at the Poke Party. Oh no, the lights went out! Cubone! We're gonna have to use some DNA fingerprinting to find out who is responsible for this. Thankfully, I have my friend Detective Pikachu here to help me get to the bottom of this. We are going to take DNA samples from each of our suspects and compare it with the evidence that was left on the scene. We're going to use Gel Electrophoresis to identify who did it. Before moving forward, it is important to note that Roselia is Trico's biological mom. This is important to note since we are using DNA and there will be an overlap between the fragments on our gels. Let's briefly go over what Gel Electrophoresis is and how it works. Using the DNA we collected, the process sorts out each DNA fragment by size as they migrate towards the positive pole after we inserted them into the negative pole end. For our investigation, we're going to be looking at 2 different loci and using both to find the one who murdered Cubone. Here are the results of Locus 1. Take a look at Trico and Roselia in the first row. They both have a fragment there. This is evidence of them being biological son and mom. Do you see any matches with the evidence? Both Trico and Squirtle both match the evidence that was left on the scene. Now let's take a look at Locus 2 and see if we can pinpoint who the real suspect is. Here's Locus 2. Do you see any matches here with the evidence? At this locus, Cubone and Trico both match the DNA evidence. So let's go over the overall results. On Locus 1, Trico and Squirtle both match the evidence. And on Locus 2, Cubone and Trico match the evidence. Trico is our common denominator between both loci. Based on this evidence, we can conclude that Trico is the one responsible for what happened to Cubone. Here are my references, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you!